Ever wondered what kind of RAM is powering your PC and if it's time for an upgrade? Let's find out. First, let's use the Task Manager. A super simple built-in tool. Press Ctrl-Shift-Task simultaneously to open it. If you see a smaller version of Task Manager, click More Details at the bottom now, click on the Performance tab at the top, and then select Memory. In the left sidebar, look for the information labeled Type in the top right corner of the window. This will tell you if you have DDR4, DDR5, or an older type. Next, let's try the command prompt. Search for command prompt in the Windows Start menu and click to open it. Now, I'll display the command on the screen for you to type into the command prompt window and then hit enter. The result displayed under caption will tell you the RAM type installed on your system. In this example, it's DDR4. Finally, for a more detailed look, you can use a third-party tool like CPUZ. Do a quick search on Google to find the official CPUZ download. Once installed, open the program and click on the Memory tab. Here, you'll find extensive information about your RAM, including the type, size, and speed. That's it. Now you know how to check your RAM type using 3 different methods.